Hi everyone, I'm Laura Clark, founder of the Wise Living Institute, supporting you to hear your own inner knowing more consistently, understand it more clearly, and take action upon that knowledge with greater courage so that you can attract all of the joy and abundance in your life. At the Wise Living Institute, we base all that we do on the foundational principle of the four element theory. The four element theory says that as a spiritual being having a walking, talking, emotional human experience, we can understand that experience with greater clarity if we connect who we are to the four elements, to the air, to the water, to the fire, to the earth that exists all around us at any given point in time. Today I want to talk to you just about the earth element. The earth element relates to our physical home, our body. And I do not teach about how to take care of your body. I don't talk about, although I could because I have a degree in exercise science, I do not talk about taking care of your physical self. I don't talk about nutritional care. I have great resources for that if that's what you are looking for. Please feel free to reach out to me. But what I'm talking about is feeling confident and feeling courageous in our physical self. If you have a down day and you sit and you sit and you sit and you sit, right, taking action from this position is not going to be filled with purpose. It's not going to be filled with passion. But taking action, if you feel grounded in your body and you take action from this position, one of strength, one of innate knowledge, then your actions are soul-centered and they propel you forward. You have to move forward when you are confident, when you are courageous. You just have to keep moving forward. The source is behind you saying, I've got you, move, and you feel confident, having faith and trust in that. And to do that, it's easy if you connect to the element of earth. Earth allows us to ground. Mother Gaia has so much strength within us, within her. And if you can find a way in any given day or time to connect with that earth strength, you can find that courage, you can find that confidence to step forward. Even if you're at your computer desk and you just use a stone to connect to Mother Earth, right? Or if in the depth of the winter you feel like you really need grounding and you go out in the snow in bare feet and connect to Mother Earth. Not for very long because I don't want you to catch a cold. But there's always a chance to connect to Mother Earth. There is wood all around us, right? And we can close our eyes and feel and sense a tree in front of us and connect to those roots that not only you can see on the surface, but that dwell deep within, that give that tree much strength. And if you can connect to that tree, you can find and gather that strength and courage that is within you, because we are earthly beings. We can use the earth to support our purpose and our passion. So I invite you today, if you're feeling the need for a little confidence, if you're feeling a little need for taking a courageous step forward, first connect to the element of earth. Really feel, sense, and see her supporting you. Take that deep breath in, stand up straight and tall, and then take one small step forward. With that one small step, big things begin. So connect to the element of earth today and see how it goes. For more information about this and all that the Wise Living Institute does to support you, you can go to our website, wiselivinginstitute.com, and we have a gift for you there. That's a surprise. You have to go there to find out. That will help support you in taking those confident, courageous steps forward. Have a great day.